Sometimes Pascal principle, alternatively, it doesn't have to move all the time, because all this while we have been solving question of how many forces pushing on one side and how many forces moving up on the other side. So this one, we could also look at things from an equilibrium point of view, static equilibrium. So this static equilibrium actually helps us to see that how many weight pressing on here is able to support a very huge weight here. Okay, so weight basically is acting downward, and this one is acting downward. So basically, the pressure at X is the same as pressure at Y. Well, of course, we are using C and D, so we can change this to C and D. Okay, a bit of a typing mistake. I mean, writing mistake, not typing mistake. So we have PC equals to PD. So what we have is W1 over A1 equals to W2 over A2. The strings things is, I'm going to use a different color. The W1 is M1G over A1, and then W2 is M2G over A2. So this one we can cut off the G quite easily. So we can have another conclusion, which is M1 over A1 equals to M2 over A2. But you don't really have to memorize this, because the most basic principle, the most basic formula that you should memorize is just this, and you should know what is represented by pressure. Pressure is force over area. So the weight is some kind of force. So we use W over 2, W over A instead.